We're back in the S4 tonight, trying to track down what's going on with this engine misfire. It's real stumbly. I don't know if you can hear it. There's definitely a misfire there. So I'm looking at the scanner, and this is bank 2 O2 sensor wideband, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. You know, rich, lean, rich, lean, rich, lean, switching back and forth. That's the correct signal that you should be seeing right there. But bank 1, which is here, for some reason bank 1 just stays rich. That number right there means that there's a lot of fuel in the exhaust stream. And as you can see, the scanner, the signal, both of these signals should look the same, right? One sensor's on the left side of the motor, the other one's on the right. So these should mirror each other. So when you see a different sine wave like that, that tells you that there's definitely something going on here. Maybe possible valve issue. I checked the spark plugs yesterday. The spark plugs seem to be okay, but there could be a hairline crack which causes it to arc. That's a possibility. I don't think it's anything vacuum related because the boost gauge is pretty steady. It's not bouncing all over the place. Usually when you got a vacuum leak, the gauge will fluctuate back and forth. So I'm kind of ruling out vacuum leaks. It's looking like this could potentially just be either a bad O2 sensor or maybe some of the wiring that leads to the sensor in the harness or something is damaged, which is causing an incorrect signal. That's what I'm guessing. So tomorrow when I get home, we'll bust out the multimeter and we'll start probing wires, trying to figure out what the hell is going on.